Hindi. Yung itatapon mo siya, pre. Kailangan mo may patama.
Wag niyong iiwanan ng front natin, healers. Don't. Don't. Pre, crown kami. Skittles.
Crown
Parang
sequence,
Siri.
pre.
Skittles.
Paring Skittles.
Uy, Sunday, mount up. Ano pang ginagawa mo, Sunday? Mount up.
Baby! Mount up! Nako.
Okay, tayo mag-mount up. Ano si Skittles? Skittles. Pa-crown.
Wala daw ay pick up.
Wala, sabi 100%.
Tulong ay pick.
Naka 1 pro.
Ala?
Nako, yun lang. Naka 1-3
Ano
lang
to,
ako.
yan, oh?
Wala, ulit talaga to, boy.
Eh.
Sige,
Ano ginagawa niyo?
100% ko yun, kagaya ng sinabi mo, pre.
Di ba sabi
Ang
mo
sabi mo-
cup? Nakalagay doon cup eh, di ba?
Oh, percent. So 100% ilagay ko.
O meaning 100% cup yung ano. Yung IP. Plan check natin yung IP nila. Gagi pre, 16, 17 IP. Almost 17 no?
Wala, dito, confront.
1 to average. I mean, may 1k. Sige, okay to pre. Healer nila 1k. 1k IP healer.
Ano sila?
Wala na, palagdata. Nasa south sila.
Walk na sila. Walk na sila.
Sige, sige. 2 runs na lang.
Kaya dito lang tayo, dismount. Dahil mag-walk sa atin yan.
Wait lang, ano ko na lang? HOJ,
Oh,
Don't toasty ah. Pud lang.
Nag-usi.
Nag-usi.
Pud lang.
best of 2.
Ay, food.
Yan na lang.
Spread out ah.
Club sila eh. RB.
Tara, push. Push, ready or defensive ha. Papakita nyo sa akin kung magaling kayo mag-defensive. Push. Ready de, para de. Push. Push them, push lang. Push southeast. Ready defensive ha. Ready defensive ha. Oh, bakit ka naghilagad? What the fuck happening, bro? Keep, brawl them ha. They gonna fucking... Brawl them.
Yan o, clump yan, Lario.
Brawl them, just brawl. Ready defensive ha. Wait. Pre, wag muna kayo mag-stop, men. Ready defensive ha. Wait. Keep rolling, brawl. Brawl nyo yung healer. Yung healer. Kiss and W's. May silence ka na, pre. Pwede may silence si Grab mamaya.
May silence o. Asan
Push.
si Grab?
Ay,
nakita ko si Grab.
Teka lang.
Ay,
I-mark ko muna. Pamark na si Grab, please, bago tayo mag-crap. Pamark muna. Keep pushing, boys. Please. Dep, push na. On the ground, pre. 3, 2, 1, on the ground. Delete
Ako,
this.
pre, walang Heron. Yun.
Keep
Patay.
dropping. Nice one.
Ubus sila.
Brawl them. Walang GG. Brawl them. Wala pa ng GG. Brawl them.
Ayun, pati.
Patay
Okay.
Zojing.
GG na siguro to. Okay, tama na. Okay na yan, tama na yan.
Lulo.
Ano?
Pangit
No,
nga.
I pick up this round.
May dala yan, may mga swap sila.
Pre, dismount lang. Come to me, southwest. Push nyo.
Lagi nag-attack na.
Pre, push nyo. Ano ba? Ba't kayo naka-dismount? Dismount. Dismount kayo. Push na. Push lang. Brawl them. Gusto, i-push nyo. Para makita natin yung magaling kayo mag-defensive. Keep healing, healers. Ready defensive. Tingnan natin kung magaling kayo mag-defensive. Defensive. Walk in east. Walk south. On the crown na, pre. 3, 2, 1. Ominaw.
Sa pool.
Silent.
Okay, spread out, brawl. Spread them brawl. Brawl nyo lang. Brawl nyo lang, ready defensive, ready defensive, brawl nyo, brawl the healer, brawl the healer. Tingnan natin kung magaling kayo mag-defensive, just brawl.
Pwede pa mark si Soji.
Just brawl.
Nag-engage
Keep rolling,
na sila.
defensive, keep healing, pre. Omi now, pre. Wait, on 3, 2, 1. Omi now, boys, Omi now. Drop. Anong nangyari doon? Bakit? Sinisipa ba? Pre, QCW si Crab. Nag-demon kahit low na, okay. Come notice. Slow them, please, slow them. Ubot ka na, matay, sendan.
Ano, matay ako. Saka nag-engage.
Push.
May hero na
Push,
ko,
ready
pre.
defensive. Push. Ready defensive, ready defensive. Keep pushing. Brawl them. Pre, defensive. Use your defensive. Push. Oh, nakara na, boys. In 3, 2,
Wala
1.
akong hero.
Omi now. Drop.
Nice. May brawl niya pa.
Brawl nyo. Walang titigil. Keep pushing. Pre, come notice. Patay ka sa Sunday. Come notice.
Walang healer.
Come notice.
Walang mana si Shoko.
Sige lang, come notice. Keep brawling, boys. Ipupush natin sila, kasi para gumaling kayo mag-defensive. Ano ba yan?
Kung nag-DPS lang ako kanina, hindi ganun. Pahil.
Ha?
Kung nag-DPS lang ako kanina.
Wait lang. Walang patay ng dalawa.
Faster, boy, faster. Okay. Wait lang, paano muna natin si Shuko? Yak, ba't kasi hindi ka